Yo guys, what's up? Jawnes here, and I'm back today with another GTA fix video. After the previous video that I uploaded, I saw it's getting a lot of attention and I saw that this is a very recurring problem. And today I'm bringing to you a fix that I thought I added in my first video, which will be linked in the description and in the top card. You can check it out if you want. And the fix is pretty much to connect your PlayStation to an internet hotspot from your phone and then log into GTA and then switch back to your Wi-Fi. Now, if you live in a country where you have a lot of gigabytes, like you have for very cheap, you can play on your hotspot for a while and then connect back. But if you live in a country where you're very limited with the internet consumption you are allowed on your phone, you should basically just connect using it and then switch back to your Wi-Fi. So what we are gonna do is go to the network settings on our PlayStation and test our internet connection. Right now I'm having a pretty solid and stable internet connection that allows me to connect and play GTA Online normally. But what we need to do from here is to switch and connect to a hotspot on our device. So what you need to do, guys, is to go to your phone, turn on mobile data, and then turn on hotspot, and then go to your hotspot settings. Make sure you know your device name and password, and then go to your PlayStation 4. Back on your PlayStation 4, set up internet connection, use Wi-Fi for hotspot, then choose custom. Go ahead and find your hotspot. Wait for it to connect. IP address, put it to automatic. DHCP do not specify. DNS settings will be set to manual. You can use Google's public DNS, which are 8.8.8.8 and secondary 8.4.4, or Cloudflare's DNS, which have, for example, 1.1.1.1 for primary and secondary 1.0.0.1. Then hit next. MTU settings will be automatic, and then proxy servers do not use. I already have connected my PlayStation, so it didn't ask me for my password, but in case it does, you know how to enter it. And then we're gonna test our internet connection from here. So it's successful, sign in is successful. Now you might get some net type issues, like it's not going to be open on the hotspot maybe, but that's okay. On GTA you don't have that problem. And then we're gonna wait for it to make sure that the internet is okay, and then once you are connected, go back to GTA Online and then connect by going to the options, by going to join GTA Online, and then join a session. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.